In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a timesheet in Notion using a ready-made template. It's an easy way to track your work hours, tasks, and projects in one place. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Timesheet or Time Tracking, then choose a template that fits your workflow and add it to your workspace. Replace the sample data with your own entries. Add details such as the date, task, project, hours worked, and notes for each work session. Customize the database by adding properties like client, billable, status, or hourly rate if you need to track additional information. Use different database views such as a table for detailed entries or a calendar to review your work by date. You can also filter or sort your records to analyze your time more effectively. Update your timesheet regularly to keep an accurate record of your work hours and monitor your productivity. That's how to build a timesheet in Notion. Thanks for watching.